When a customer has an urgent request or is distressed, it often reflects in their writing style and tone. If something has gone wrong for a customer and they are going to make a complaint, how may they be feeling, and how may that come through in their behavior and their writing? When a customer is in a distressed situation or preparing to make a complaint, they may be experiencing a range of emotions, including frustration, disappointment, anger, or even anxiety. These feelings can manifest in their behavior and their writing in several ways. In their behavior, for example, this could manifest itself in irritability, aggressiveness, frustration, or extreme cases, despair. On the other hand, they may become withdrawn. Some might become less communicative, preferring to express their dissatisfaction in writing rather than verbally. In a nutshell, when something goes wrong for a person, they can feel out of control, and this can come across in poorly controlled behavior. Here are a few key signs to look for. Use of phrases like as soon as possible, immediate attention required, or urgent show the escalating tone of urgency. All capital words or exclamation marks also emphasize importance, such as need help now. Frustration or anger may come across with emotionally charged language, with strong words or phrases like unacceptable, I'm extremely disappointed, or this needs to be fixed immediately. Sadness or distress may manifest in expressions of despair or pleading, for example, I feel hopeless, or this is causing me so much trouble, or even this is so unfair. A distressed customer might send very brief messages that get straight to the point, saying, for example, fix this now. Alternatively, they may write long emails explaining the full context of their situation in detail. They may also send multiple messages in a short period, possibly escalating in tone if they feel their issue isn't being addressed quickly enough. They may over-explain the issue, providing excessive details to ensure they're understood. Alternatively, they might omit details and just demand a solution immediately. A normally polite customer might become terse or demanding. For example, I expect this resolved now versus their usual thank you for your help. Spelling errors or missing punctuation may increase if they're writing in distress or haste. By spotting these indicators, you can respond with empathy, reassurance, and quick action to help resolve their concerns. Responding empathetically to distressed customers requires a combination of understanding, patience, and genuine care. This course will help you to develop positive and professional written responses to your customers' urgent requests and complaints. In it, you'll learn the importance of addressing these urgent issues promptly and empathetically. You'll develop techniques to identify a person's key issues and underlying concerns in urgent requests and complaints. Learn how to craft clear, professional, and resolution-focused responses. Explore methods for de-escalating frustration and rebuilding trust with customers. And gain insight into maintaining your brand personality and tone of voice, even during sensitive interactions. We'll also develop the 3T format and a winning framework for your written responses, while using scientific techniques to help you to develop rapport and trust with your customer, even through the medium of the written word. Remember though, empathy is key. It's about showing the customer that they're more than just a number to you. A warm, human touch can often turn a difficult situation into an opportunity to strengthen customer trust. So let's begin with a little more context around the value that we gain from complaints and learning from customers' urgent issues.